water pressure regulator 239K has a small, compact design and is a lightweight at 40 grams. Its outlet pressure is permanently set and cannot be changed. This reduces installation time, simplifies service work, and no pressure gauge is required to adjust the outlet pressure. Devices with a fixed water connection can be easily fitted with the regulator. When the regulator is supplied with water pressure, the water flows through the open valve seat to the consumer. If the preset output pressure is less than the spring force, the spring keeps the piston and thus the valve seat open. When the output pressure is reached, the force of the water pressure presses the piston into the valve seat and the regulator closes. When water is needed, thus causing water consumption, the valve seat opens and the water flows to the consumer again. The outlet pressure remains constant at the set pressure. The regulator is available for pressure ranges from 1 to 8 bar outlet pressure in 1 bar steps. The maximum inlet pressure is 15 bar. Its NSF 61 and NSF 169 certification makes it ideal for use in the catering industry, for example for drinking water dispensers or coffee machines, and for medical devices, for example for dental chairs. A matching check valve is also available.